The algorithm, it's not against you, it's just confused. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you why blaming the algorithm is keeping you stuck and what actually makes Facebook push your posts consistently. And if you want my entire viral post factory system, I'll send it to you. It's the AI-powered workflow I personally use to generate 50 high-engagement posts in under 30 minutes so that you can train the algorithm without overwhelming consistency. My name is Alwi Batarilan. I help people turn Facebook attention into income by building systems that the platform naturally rewards. Now, this isn't about finding loopholes or secret hacks. It's about creating a content engine that works with the platform and not against it. This isn't about hacking the algorithm, it's about understanding signals so your growth stops feeling random and starts feeling predictable. Now, most people secretly believe the algorithm is working against them. They will say things like, my reach dropped out of nowhere, or Facebook isn't pushing my posts anymore, or it's just too saturated now, or the best yet, I think my account is shadow banned. And the moment they believe that, they lose all their power. Because if the algorithm is the villain, there is nothing you can do to fix it. It's an invisible enemy you can't fight. And that belief, that feeling of helplessness, quietly destroys your consistency. So what do? They start scrambling, they change their content formats every single week, they jump from text posts to reels to carousel, hoping one of them will magically work. They see someone else's post go viral, so they try to copy it. Even if it doesn't fit their message, they get a burst of motivation, post 3 days in a row, and then disappear for 10 days when they don't see immediate results. They react emotionally to every single dip in views, treating distribution like it's personal. But here's the truth. Facebook is not emotional. It's mathematical, okay? It doesn't know you. It doesn't care about how much effort you put in. It doesn't reward your good intentions. It only reads signals. Are people stopping their scroll on your post? Are they actually reading it? Or just scrolling past? Are they leaving comments, starting conversation? And most importantly, are you consistent? Are you predictable enough for the system to actually learn from? This is part of the Andromeda update. If your behavior is inconsistent, your signals are inconsistent as well. And if your signals are inconsistent, your distribution becomes inconsistent. And that's not a punishment, that's just uncertainty. The algorithm isn't against you, it just doesn't understand you yet. Think about it like this. If 1 week you post long, in-depth value posts, the next week you post short emotional stories, the week after that you disappear completely. And then you come back with a totally different format like memes as an example. What is the platform supposed to learn from that? It can't build a clear behavioral profile around your content. It doesn't know who to show your posts to because it can't figure out who your ideal audience is. And when it doesn't understand who engages with you consistently, it limits your distribution. Not to hurt you, but because it lacks confidence in your signals. Your job is to build that confidence. Consistency builds confidence. Confidence increases reach and views. So here's how you do it. Step 1, choose stable formats. Stop reinventing your strategy every week. Pick 2 or 3 content formats that feel good to you and repeat them. Repetition builds signal clarity. Step number 2, increase your volume before you judge your performance. 1 post is just noise. 10 posts is data. 30 posts is a pattern. Now, platforms learn from patterns, not from single wins or losses. Step number 3, stay consistent long enough for the feedback loops to form. Most people quit right before the algorithm starts to recognize and reward their consistency. It takes weeks, sometimes months, to build that behavioral memory. But once you do, distribution follows. This works because platforms reward predictability. When your signals are stable, the algorithm becomes confident in who you are and who to show your content to. When the algorithm becomes confident, your distribution stabilizes. And when your distribution stabilizes, your growth starts to compound. You don't beat the algorithm, you train it. That's exactly why I put together the Viral Post Factory system. It's the engine I use to train the algorithm by creating high signal content at scale. It shows you how to generate over 50 posts in a singular session so you can focus on being consistent, not just being creative. If you want it, comment factory below and I will gladly send it over.